Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you hands-on insight into trending products. In today's episode, we're diving into what we're calling the best belly button ring stainless steel gemstone you can find online. The OUFER belly button ring, crafted from surgical steel with an internally threaded design and a sparkling clear cubic zirconia gemstone. This piece has gained attention not just for its aesthetics, but also for its thoughtful craftsmanship. Let's take a close look at why this navel ring has earned its spot at the top of the charts in the body jewelry category. Let's start with the design. The OUFER belly ring features a minimalist yet elegant look, a single clear CZ gemstone embedded in the lower ball, catching light with every move. The overall feel is subtle, clean, and classy, making it perfect for everyday wear or a special occasion. Whether you're dressing down in casuals or styling up for a night out, it adds just the right touch of sparkle without being overwhelming. What makes this piece stand out is the material. OUFER uses 316L surgical stainless steel, which is one of the safest and most widely used materials for body piercings. It's nickel and lead-free, making it suitable even for people with sensitive skin. This means you can wear it for extended periods without worrying about irritation or allergic reactions. Now let's talk about comfort and usability. The belly ring is internally threaded. Unlike externally threaded jewelry that can scrape and damage your piercing during insertion, internally threaded rings have a smooth bar with a screw-in ball. This ensures a much gentler experience when you're putting it on or taking it off. The top ball unscrews, making it super simple to wear or remove, and it fits snugly. You won't find it loosening randomly during the day. When it comes to size options, OUFER has you covered. The ring comes in a standard 14G thickness. That's 1.6 mm, and you can choose from bar lengths of 10 mm, 12 mm, 14 mm, or 16 mm, depending on your anatomy or preference. The 12 mm size is a perfect middle ground, offering a flattering drop without being too long. The finish of the jewelry is smooth and highly polished. You'll notice there are no rough edges or seams. That's important not just for comfort but also for hygiene. A smooth surface helps minimize buildup and makes cleaning much easier. And if you care about presentation, you'll be happy to know the ring comes in exquisite packaging, ready to gift or keep for yourself. OUFER clearly pays attention to the full experience, from product to unboxing. Let's not forget, this product is backed by dedicated after-sales support. OUFER isn't just a seller. They're a specialized body jewelry brand focused on quality and customer care. If you ever have questions or issues, they're quick to respond and ready to assist. To wrap it up, the OUFER surgical steel belly button ring blends comfort, safety, and elegance in one affordable package. Whether you're new to piercings or looking to upgrade your collection, this ring is a reliable, stylish choice that checks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into top-rated products. See you in the next one.